Hey there! Are you interested in maximizing your Cash App investment potential? This week, I've got 5 powerful tips to help you learn the best practices for investing in Cash App. Also, if you haven't signed up yet for Cash App, you can use my link in the description and we'll both get $5. The first thing is to understand the basics of Cash App investing. First up, it's essential to grasp the basics of Cash App investing. While Cash App is widely known for its simple peer-to-peer money transfer services, it's also a convenient platform for investing in both stocks and Bitcoin. If you're new to the app, getting started is incredibly easy. All you need to do is open the app, navigate to the Investing tab, set up your profile, add funds, and once you're set up, you'll find that Cash App's straightforward interface makes it accessible even for beginners. One of the standout features of Cash App investing is the ability to buy fractional shares. This means that instead of having to purchase the entire stock, which can be costly, especially for high-priced stocks like Apple or Tesla, you can invest with as little as $1. Fractional investing makes it possible to own pieces of popular stocks that might otherwise be out of your reach. Cash App's fractional shares open a world of possibilities, allowing you to diversify your portfolio without needing a substantial initial investment. Another significant feature is the option to invest in Bitcoin. Cash App simplifies the process, making it easy to buy, sell, and even withdraw Bitcoin directly to your own wallet. This makes it a great platform for those who are interested in both traditional stocks and cryptocurrencies. Understanding these fundamentals is the first step to building a successful investment journey with Cash App. As you get familiar with the app's features, you'll be able to make more informed decisions and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's dive into the next best practice. Number 2 is to start small and diversify your investments. When it comes to investing on Cash App or any other platform, starting small and diversifying your investment is a smart approach. It's natural to feel tempted by trending stocks or popular cryptocurrencies, but a balanced portfolio will serve you better in the long run. Cash App's flexibility allows you to invest in both stocks and Bitcoin, which opens the door to diversifying your assets right from the beginning. Starting small is a great way to minimize risk, especially if you're new to investing. With Cash App, you can invest with as little as just $1, which means you can test the waters without a significant upfront commitment. This is a perfect opportunity to explore various sectors and see what resonates with your financial goals. For instance, you might allocate a small portion to tech stocks, another to consumer goods, and some to Bitcoin. This spread not only helps you explore different markets, but also reduces your reliance on any single asset. Diversification acts as a buffer against market volatility, as it spreads your investments across different sectors. This way, if one stock or asset experiences a downturn, your entire portfolio isn't as affected. A diversified approach also offers more stability and the potential for steady returns. After all, investing should be viewed as a long-term strategy, not a quick way to make easy profit. By taking small calculated steps and embracing diversification, you're building a foundation for a sustainable investment journey. Cash App makes it easy to explore various investment options, and by diversifying, you're positioning yourself for a more balanced, potentially profitable experience. Keep in mind that successful investing is about patience and strategic decisions that will help your wealth grow over time. Number 3 is to utilize dollar cost averaging for consistent growth. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is an effective investment strategy that can help you achieve consistent growth over time, especially on a platform like Cash App. In simple terms, dollar cost averaging means that you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of whether the market is up or down. For example, you might set up a reoccurring investment of $20 every week in Cash App. The idea is that you'll end up buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, effectively averaging out the cost of your investment over time. One of the primary benefits of dollar cost averaging is that it reduces the need to time the market perfectly, which can be incredibly challenging even for inexperienced investors. Instead of worrying about buying at the lowest point or selling at the peak, DCA ensures that you're always investing, regardless of market conditions. This approach can protect you from making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and help mitigate the risk of investing a large amount of money at an unfavorable time. CashApp makes dollar cost averaging easy with its recurring investment feature, allowing you to set up automated, scheduled contributions to your portfolio. This not only simplifies the process, but also helps you stay consistent with your investing goals. By automating your contributions, you're essentially taking the guesswork out of the equation, which can reduce stress and help you stay on track. Dollar cost averaging is particularly useful for long-term goals, such as saving for retirement, building a college fund, or growing an emergency fund. But staying consistent and committed to your investment schedule, you're more likely to see steady growth in your portfolio over time. This approach is ideal for Cash App investors who are looking for a simple yet effective way to build wealth gradually and sustainably. The fourth thing is to do your research before investing. Research is an absolute cornerstone of successful investing. And even though Cash App makes the process accessible, it's still essential to understand what you're putting your money into. Every stock or asset has unique characteristics, and each industry responds differently to economic changes. Before hitting the buy button, take the time to dig into the details of the stock or asset you're considering. Proper research can make a big difference in your investment outcomes and helps you avoid costly mistakes. While Cash App does provide a basic overview of each of the stocks, including current prices and recent performance, it's wise to use additional resources to get a fuller picture. Explore financial news websites, stock analysis tools, and even YouTube channels that focus on stock market trends and insights. By learning about a company's financial health, market trends, and industry forecasts, you're equipping yourself with the knowledge needed to make well-informed decisions. Cash App also displays historical data for stocks and Bitcoin, which can help you assess their long-term performance, trends, and volatility as well. Beyond the fundamentals, it's also a good idea to stay aware of broader market conditions. For example, economic indicators like interest rates, inflation rates, and geopolitical events can have significant impacts on certain industries. Understanding these broader factors can provide additional context for your investments, helping you see the bigger picture and avoid common pitfalls. Investing based solely on hype or popular opinion can lead to disappointment if the asset doesn't perform as expected. By conducting thorough research, you can make choices that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The more knowledge you have, the better prepared you'll be to build a balanced, resilient portfolio with Cash App. And remember, knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Use it to your advantage to set yourself up for long-term success. Number 5 is to set realistic goals and be patient. Setting realistic goals is an essential part of investing on Cash App. Ask yourself what you're hoping to achieve with your investments. Are you looking to grow your money over a long term, or are you aiming for these quick profits? Understanding your goals can help you tailor your investment strategy. Also, patience is key when it comes to investing. While it might be tempting to check your Cash App daily to see how your investments are performing, it's important to remember that investing is a long game. Stock prices fluctuate frequently, and reacting to every small change can lead to impulsive decisions that may harm your portfolio in the long run. Instead, set realistic expectations and give your investments time to grow. If you're investing for long-term goals like retirement, keep in mind that it could take years before you see significant growth. Staying patient and sticking to your strategy is often the best approach to building wealth. And also remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to investing. Number 6 is to take advantage of Cash App's security features. Finally, don't forget about security. Cash App offers various security features to help protect your investments. For instance, you can enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. This means that even if someone has your password, they still need a second form of identification to access your account. Another thing is Cash App also provides real-time notifications for transactions, which can help you monitor any activity on your account. This is particularly useful for spotting any unauthorized transactions or suspicious behavior. Additionally, ensure that your Cash App account is connected to a secure bank account and that your phone has a strong password. By taking these steps, you're helping to protect your investments from potential fraud or hacking attempts. While Cash App is generally a secure platform, it's always wise to be proactive, especially about security. Keeping your account safe is just as important as making smart investment choices. And there you have it, the 5 best practices for investing on Cash App. Start incorporating these strategies today and you'll be well on your way to a more secure and successful investment journey. Don't forget to like, share, And most importantly, subscribe for more tips on smart investing. Happy investing. And also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5.